Hi everyone, welcome back. As you can see, it's a minute to 1 o'clock. I set myself a challenge this morning to build a shelter in 3 hours. So I've got a few seconds to get my breath back together. And I've done most of it this morning with the jungle parang here. I've been absolutely sweating buckets. So it's done about 90% of the cutting and a bit here with the gransfor bruks compacts, but most of it was done with this, and that was a challenge I also wanted to try out on the knife to get a good beasting and see how it goes. So this is how far I've got. Firewall's still got a bit to get done, but there you go, I managed to get that shelter up, all the branches cleared, and Royal's still moaning. That's his son, oh my good boy. And so if I bring you in here, just show you, got the bed laid down. I've got most of the branches cleared off, still got to stake it down a bit, and the back still got covered. I've just secured this beam on a branch here, brought it right across onto this here and tied it off there. Seems to be secure enough at the moment. Obviously I'll need to make adjustments, but in 3 hours it's been hard going and it's really warm today, so I'm really happy with that. And the soil here is actually a bit peatier than what I thought it was, so I'll need to watch what I'm doing when I dig my fire pit here. But there we go. So well pleased with the performance for the parang this morning. Cleared out all this over here, all this down here, and cleared all of these pine off for me. Oh, there we go. Yep, happy with that. So, it's hard going for anybody who's trying to build a shelter in this time. Really hard going, especially if you're on your own. Not recommended. But it was just a wee challenge for myself. And here's the handle here, the parang. Great knife. Well, thanks again for coming to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See you again. Cheers.